Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video on the MBRP system. We're actually doing some prototype work, working with MBRP on updating the valve on the passenger side exhaust. And so we worked with them a little bit on that. I think there's going to be an update on that. It's just going to be more responsive and open up a little bit quicker. But I just want to give you guys my 2 cents. I drove this car for the past week and a half, and I really like this exhaust. It's really tame. It's not overly loud. It's nice and deep. So I highly recommend this exhaust personally. It's not one that's gonna get a lot of attention like we used to have the old Boost Logic on our car or any of the Tomei systems that are just a little bit more on the louder side. This is nice and calm. It's not gonna upset your neighbors. I'm gonna put this in the category of this is an adult exhaust. So you guys have heard me rate them before. So I would definitely recommend this for anyone that doesn't wanna upset the neighborhood. Let's go get some sound clips.